वेलकम टू वेल्स क्विक टिप्स अँड ट्रिक यूट्यूब कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार माझ्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. आणि आता पावसा पयली आमी हे मँगो पिकल चेपणेची तोरा करता. तर आता ह्यो सीजन हिंगासर आनी तुमकां मेवता हिंगासर. आणि ह्या वर्सा मातशें मुश्कील जातालें, पण आता स्टार्ट जाला मेवपाक. सो टुडे आय एम गोइंग टू शो यू ऑल pickle what we do by like now it's like water pickle. You can call it water pickle by only salt and few chilies, and you have to just preserve it in a vessel for maybe 5 to 8 days till the salt get melted, and still till this all get nicely done. So I will show you how it is afterwards, how it turns out. So in Konkani we call it Chepneche Tora. So this is not chepni now, like, and you have to keep a heavy weight. Okay, keep a heavy weight, and with salt, any heavy weight you can use, stone or anything. So if you are doing it in a quantity, now this is like 100 numbers. So I'm using this salt quantity for this 100 mango raw mangoes. Okay. So I'm using a bucket. Okay, you can use any tub or any bigger vessel, whatever you have, whatever is available. So now I will put salt over here, and then I will put mangoes, then again salt, mango, salt, and then we have to put a weight and keep it like that only. तर आता हांवें ही बालदी घेतल्या. ओके, कित्याक ती शोमोर जावंक जाय, हितून बालदी घेतल्या. तर पयलें मीठ, मागीर तोरा, मागीर मीठ, मागीर तोरा, अशें करून लास्ट मागीर मीठ आसूंक जाय. आनी थोड्यो कश्मीरी चिलीज घेता हांव, अरावंड कश्मीरी चिली तोडून घालतली. आनी मातशें चिरून घालीत न्हू, मातशें एक तोरबा चिरून घाली जाल्यार बरो वास येता. आणि इल्ले हांव लसूण पण उडयतली. ओके, तर हे पयलीं अशें मीठ घालया. मोठें मीठ नाजाल्यार तुमचे कडेन मोठें मीठ ना जाल्यार दुसरें पण. रॉक सॉल्ट इफ इट्स नॉट अवेलेबल, देन यू कॅन टेक एनी अदर. सो दिस इज रॉक सॉल्ट. Whatever is available, you all please do that. Now we'll put this, and I am keeping this because it is very delicious. Then we'll break like this chilies in between, and few garlic, additional flavor. Okay, so then again salt. So more salt, it is always better. Then here again salt. So we'll be needing one more bag of this. So in Mapsa you get it for 30 rupees a bag. So here now we will add our chili. And these are few I am keeping like this. I've cut it into 4 pieces, and I'm just keeping it like this so you get nice aroma. So एका अशे चिरो घालात 4. हे माझे शेजारीन म्हाका टिप दिल्या, थँक्यू गुलाबी, की माझी फ्रेंड माझी शेजारी की अशें घाली जाल्यार धमधमीत वास येता. सो दिस इज समथिंग न्यू. माय ग्रँडमदर चिरून घाली नासली माझी घरा माय, ती डायरेक्ट घाली आनी सोडटाली. सो आता मिरसांग कुत्तून घालुया. आणि मीठ कुट्टून. आता मी अशें घालून आता हेजे वेट दवरूंक जाय. So here is this, I'm keeping this and then a heavy weight. Okay, so any plate, whatever you have, and below that I have kept some plastic and all. These are some plastic, cling film, everything. And now this is the plate, and here goes heavy weight on this. Okay, so now we leave this for 5 to 8 days till it all the salt turned into water and it is nicely done. So see you later after 8 days. Thank you so much. देव बरें करूं. 8 दिसा उपरांत मेळुचे आमी आनी तुमकां मागीर दाखयता. ओके, थँक यू. तर आता आमी चेपणेची तोरां आमची पळोवया. So let's open this after 8 days. What it is. And here is our Chepneche Tora ready. Okay, they are nicely done. And we will now transfer this to a brim. So this is, you can transfer or any bottle if you have. See that it is nicely cleaned. And then we will add this one by one over here. Along with the chilies, and that same water will go inside. So here is our pickle. आमची तोरा रेडी आसा. आता ही स्टोर जातली आनी अराउंड 1 वॉरस पासून तुमच्यांनी उजार करूं येता आनी खावं येता आनी पावसान जाल्यार एकदम काम येतली. थँक्यू सो मच. देव बरें करूं. गोंयची चेपणेची तोरा, गोवन homemade water pickle. Enjoy this with kanji, that is Goan pears, awesome dal and rice, and it is a monsoon special. Welcome to valsquicktips&tricks YouTube cooking channel. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानता तुमी सगळीं बरी आसली, सावध आनी भलायकी. And today I am come up with another video of Goan mango tora, Chepneche Tora, stuffed with our Goan Recheado masala and the pickle masala combined together. So let's start. What we need? We need some Chepneche Tora. I have shown you how to make Chepneche Tora at home.
And so take as much as you want to stuff the masala. So these are a nicely chepne means it is you put it under a stone and then you make it. See the procedure beginning how we are making this pickle to this. The raw mango pickle turns out this along with only salt. So this I have taken around, I don't know, I have not counted, but this is like around maybe 20, more than 20 also it can be, later we can count. And फकत ती बोननेंतली काढल्या आणि इथून घातल्या बोलान. Then what we need is one onion which is nicely fried on the, you have to fry the onion or roast the onion nicely. Then we need one whole pod of garlic for this, 1 teaspoon of ginger, whole ginger, you can take 1 inch or you can take 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, little bit of cinnamon stick. Then we have over here around 10 cloves and 20 peppercorns, 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, that is methi. Then this is 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds, 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard seeds. Then we have kalonji, that is 1 teaspoon of kalonji, not sesame, don't get mixed, this is kalonji. Then 2 tablespoon of fennel seeds, and we have Kashmiri chilies around 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 to 13 Kashmiri chilies. You can take less, more, it's up to you. Then we have to take asafida, hing and turmeric powder also will go. And in this pickle we have to add mustard oil also. And while grinding this masala, I am not going to roast anything of this. This is directly going to go in the grinder. Along with vinegar we have to make the paste out of this with onion and garlic and everything. Okay, so let's start. We'll add 1 teaspoon of coriander, turmeric powder, no coriander, turmeric powder. And we will add 1 teaspoon of hing, asafeda. Now we will add 1 teaspoon of sugar to this also, 1 teaspoon of sugar. So first thing we have to grind this dry and then add vinegar, like around half cup. So this is our homemade Goan vinegar, that is palm vinegar. So you have to take half cup now to add in this and grind to fine paste. So half cup. And now we will grind this. To grind this, I had to add around like 1 cup of vinegar. Now what cup it is, measurement is on Amazon, it's available. So what you have to do when you are grinding it, add little vinegar and then you grind. So for this quantity 1 cup is gone. So now this is ready to go in a stuffing. So we have to now to stuff this. So either you can cut like this and then stuff, like slice it this way and then stuff the masala, or give a 4 this way. Now again I have not added any salt to my masala, because already this is very salty inside the water, and I have not washed this in other water, because I want to consume along with this salt and let it get matured along with this. So like this only we have to cut this all. Now let's add our masala to this. So now if you want to tie thread for this, you can do that. I am putting in this. Then later I will transfer it into a bottle. First I will keep this along with the masala for 1 day. So you can make lots actually at home if you like stuffed mango pickle. Yum, 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 yum. So tasty it is. Recheado along with the pickle masala. So like this only you all will stuff all. So now I love all this. You know, it's very tasty. So, and we will add this whole chilies also. No flavors to be discarded. And we will add this to this, and we will add around how much is needed in this mustard oil. So 1 cup, half cup, it's up to you, and what is the quantity, accordingly you will have to add. So now we will leave this covered for 1 day, and then I will show you the result. Airtight. Okay. Thank you. We will see you again.
Tasty, yummy Goan Chepneche Tora with tamdo masala. It's yummy to eat, tasty. Try it at your home.